Hello everybody. So in today's video I'm going to be drawing y'all an old-fashioned alarm clock. So I'm first going to start out by drawing a circle. Now I'm going to draw another circle on the inside. And then finally I'll draw another circle on the inside of the clock. Now I'm going to draw a smaller circle. This is going to be for the hands of the clock. And first draw the big hand. Draw a little arrow. Then I'm going to draw the small hand. Then I'll draw another little arrow on this. I'll just erase these extra lines. The next thing I'm going to draw is the numbers. Drawing with these vector pens is really like drawing with a digital version of a Sharpie. The lines come out nice and crispy, or that's what I like to call them. Now I'm going to draw these small little legs that it has at the bottom so it stands over and doesn't tip over. They kind of look like little minion legs. Now I'm going to draw the bells. They kind of look like upside down bowls. Try that again. Then I'm going to draw this little notch that comes out from the inside that actually holds the bell. And now I'm going to draw the dome shape of the bell. And draw that little nut fixture which holds the clock in place, or I mean the bell in place. And then I'm going to draw another little bell on this side. Yeah, it's a little crooked bell, but adds to the cartoon look of it. Draw that little nut on the top. These are definitely one of the most annoying alarms to wake up to. Now I'm going to draw the little handle on the top of it. Then I'm going to draw the small little hammer, or I call it a hammer, that jingles and makes the noise that the alarm is going off or ringing. And finally, I'm going to draw these curved lines that shows that the alarm is actually ringing. So it kind of looks like noise waves. And there we have it, people, our lovely little alarm clock. For the next part of this video, I'm just going to do a time lapse and color this in. Thanks for following along and watching, and drawing, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye for now.